Hey everyone, just wanted to do an extra little work out this implicit differentiation problem. So the question says something like, find dy over dx, but that is the same as y prime. So I'm just going to use y prime. That's always a little easy for me to do. So now with implicit, when we see something like this, we have to remember that's going to be product rule. So let's see, derivative of 2x is 2 times y to the fourth, that's just by itself, plus 2x times the derivative of y to the fourth, which would be 4y cubed times y prime. Again, that's like the chain rule. Derivative of the inside function is y prime. Okay, minus, and this is a little tricky here because you're going to have to use product rule again, but you're subtracting all of that. So I'm going to put a minus parentheses there. So that would be derivative of x cubed is 3x squared times y plus x cubed. Derivative of y is just y prime. Like that equals derivative of 3 is 0. Okay, let's write all this down here. We got 2y to the fourth plus 2x. Let's see, well, that's times 4y cubed, so let's just go ahead and make that. Make that 8x y cubed y prime minus 3x squared y minus x cubed y prime equals 0. Okay, so at this point, you found the derivative, but now you actually need to solve it for y prime. So you need to get some answer that says y prime equals. So this is a little tricky. You have to look where the y primes are. Right here and right here. Everything else needs to go the other side. So this guy, this one, they need to go the other side. So that'll leave me here 8xy cubed y prime minus x cubed y prime equals, all that other stuff comes to the right side, 3x squared y minus 2y to the fourth. Okay, we're almost done actually. You have to basically factor out the y prime that's here and here. So that becomes like this, y prime, and then left on the inside of the parentheses, you have 8x y cubed minus x cubed equals, all that stuff doesn't change. Okay, and then we're almost done. The only way to solve for y prime now is just to divide both sides by this. Like this. 8xy cubed minus x cubed. That gets it away from over here. So our final answer, it's messy. Is that right there? So that's just this little trick for getting the y prime by itself up here.